welcome back to my channel. I'm with Angelica again and we are at another concert. We're at the State Fair. We are going to watch Becky.
We're gonna go support our girl.
Yes.
I'm excited.
So right now we are just waiting for it to start and then we're gonna kind of chill outside at the State Fair for a little bit.
My pimple.
Yeah. So we're gonna go to our seats.
Let's go to our seats.
Look at that. She's so cute.
Me voy a caer. Wait, you go first.
Okay. So we forgot to pull out the camera because we're so stressed.
You started off.
Whatever. Okay. There's like so many people. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So we're looking for Angelica's sister. No, we should get on that one. Angelica, we should get on that one. Come on! Come on! What about that one? Oh, look at me. Oh my goodness. You're so pretty. Ay, qué hermoso. Qué hermoso estás. A ver tu carita. A ver tu carita. Oh, you're so cute. Stop. Oh, look, he's so chubby. Mira el lomo. Hi. Look at, he's so big. Ay, pobrecito. Oh my gosh. Look at. Hey, me on Thanksgiving. Oh, he's so cute. Mira las piernotas que tiene. Dude, look at his legs.
He thick with the C.
He thick with two C's.
He thick with the C.
Dang. Qué hermosos. I know.
Oh my god. Aww.
Qué bonito. Look how cute. Look at his legs.
Why does that look like my brother though? Like, he's just saying that.
Yes, get it. Stop. Oh my gosh. Should we get on that? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. My hair. So Angelica wants food, so we're gonna go find some food. And did you see that?
I'm hungry, yeah.
It's really packed. The music. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. No, why not?
Nope.
You guys, I need someone to go on this ride.
Hijo su madre.
Hell nah.
You can pay me a lot of money. I won't get on.
What if they give you $1 million? Nah, I can't, bro.
I can't.
You're mad one.
I'm gonna find
Angelica, man.
a funnel
2019.
cake, funnel cake, corn, a turkey leg,
And a man.
I don't know about that, but turkey leg.
We're gonna find you one.
Is it a video or a picture?
It's a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Una mordidota. Yes. Oh, qué hermoso. So is that a horse?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh. Why is he there by himself? You guys, we found a pony.
There's someone over here.
There has to be. Ay, qué hermoso. Ay, está amarrado. Mira las pompis.
He rides in that thing?
Dude, ahí no caben. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Ew!
You guys, a pony. Or a horse. Ay, qué hermoso, dude. Ay.
Look at that.
Hey, yo no quiero carro, yo quiero caballo.
Yes. It's all about them horses. I'm like,
She was that one horse girl in middle school.
fuck you. No, no. Oh my god, they were just watching me like, who's this girl?
Do it again.
Hey, what was this?
Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, whatever else the YouTubers always say to do at the end of their videos. And yeah, see you next time.